Morning, Alad. How are you today?
Oh, good. Thank you, Paul. How about yourself?
I am doing fairly well. I am. Good morning, May. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you?
Good. Were you able to be on that session yesterday with Swapnil?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
for some reason, so I had to give my laptop a reset.
Okay.
And so my video wasn't working. My
Oh,
video
okay.
and
That's
my
so
mic they didn't have permissions yet, and to give it permissions I had to restart the computer.
okay.
I could hear you but you guys couldn't hear me.
Yeah, okay. Sounds very good. Yeah, I saw that your the wheel was spinning or the three dots were moving, and I wasn't sure if you were able to join. So
Yeah, you
yeah,
you did really well. I think that the interview, the video is gonna be great.
good. Good.
So once his teams edits it, he'll send us the link that we can review it. And if we want any changes, if we want anything to cut out, they can do that. They'll let us provide feedback before they publish it.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I wonder if
And I did talk to him afterward, and so they're gonna try to send us the draft this week.
oh good. Okay. Find the message from Sridhar where he sent me a deck that he's using, or a slide that he wants to use as kind of the mind map for the white paper section.
Okay.
Yes. Get your feedback.
And then while you're doing that, I sent the link to the website. I added all of the SDC sessions
Yes.
to the website. So I'd like to start promoting it. So if there are any changes or anything I need to add, please let me know so that we can get those.
Yeah, I think we may need to, I'm not certain that I'm going to be able to be there. So I submitted it, the session. So my name was attached. We're going to have to talk again on the TSC to see if there's anybody else who is in San Jose who can do that.
Oh, okay.
So I have not received approval to travel to that one yet.
Okay. But there's still a chance that you will get approval?
There's a chance, and I'm still not certain I'm the right person to talk to demos.
Oh, yeah.
So I could easily talk to the overview one that Joe is doing, but I'm not
Mhm.
certain that I would be the proper person to talk to the demos and the code that's been written and the state of that code. So we
Okay.
need to find someone who can do that, who's local. Venkat might be a good choice. He's local.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
It also concerns the labs. A good portion of it is about the state of the lab. So Murcha would be a good person to have do it, but he's not there, but it's not too far for him. So still working on that. And one of the difficulties is that Venkat's on vacation for the next 2 weeks.
Oh, got it.
Let me share this slide. This is the, I don't know if you want to call it mind map or what, but this is what Sridhar took away from the API subgroup and how to talk about it and the different things that they are working on doing. And how they align to other pieces and parts. So like him to talk to it, but I think he said he wasn't going to be able to be here. He had another conflict for today. Get his email back to me. No, he didn't say that in the email. I think he said that earlier in the week. So I will post the link to this in the chat. And you can all grab it there. Come on. There's the chat. Stop the share. John, welcome. How are you today?
Hello, I'm doing all right. I'm headed for Flash Memory Summit part of today.
Okay. You said Flash Memory Summit?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Memory Summit, I believe the tutorial started yesterday and the conference starts today.
Okay.
I think I don't think I'm participating in these sessions, but I'm hosting or co-hosting a table this evening.
Okay.
They have like a discussion tables Tuesday night.
Like a birds of feather table or something like that?
Exactly, yes.
Very good.
But it's local for me. It's in Santa Clara Convention Center.
Okay. Very good. Alad, any new use case participants that haven't joined as members to OPI that we should be pursuing more closely?
We're currently focused on NTT because after the previous call, it became clear that they're doing a lot around DPU, IPU, either through their labs or through their ION
Yes.
organization. And we're trying to gently shove them towards OPI
Okay.
by asking them questions such as, what can we do together? Now that you've shown us everything that you do in the lab, we would like to help you with this and that and this. And then starting the conversation about, okay, joint work and so on. But NTT is a huge target for us.
Okay.
And I feel like that could be a really good match. And they bring with them a few others, but we already have Fujitsu, we already have Red Hat. So those are two partners they use, which we use already as well, but it might be a tighter relationship. But they also have a few more. So I'm hoping they will bring with them NEC, for example.
Okay. That'd be great. Good. Thank you. Is there anything that we could have the Linux Foundation business development team focused on helping with, or do you think you've got that in hand?
With NTT, we have to go slow and by their charter to fit, but I am thinking about Korea, and we're not quite there yet. I had
Okay.
some conversations with SK, South Korea Telecom,
Yep.
and they're very interested in ARM-based ecosystems, but they're pretty early on. So we
Okay.
might at some point want to do something in Korean out of like OPI in Korean, and that's where I would need some help.
Okay.
But we're not quite there yet.
Got it. Sounds good. Somehow it says that Mark joined my meeting, but he's not here. Mark from ARM. So 3012. 1 second. I just want to make sure that. Nope, same meeting. So he must have joined and then dropped. Good. We do have the SDC presentations to get done and to wrangle. So I'll continue to work with Joe on the presentation he's going to use. We'll probably start with the base intro presentation that we have already that we did for SmartNIC Summit. And he can develop something from there. And we need to find someone who's going to speak to the demos and POC group. So John, Alon, anybody from NVIDIA that you know of that is in those groups that would be that is in the Bay Area?
I am not sure. Sorry, which groups?
Well, it's the title that we gave them was demos, POCs, and labs, something like that. So it would be showing some of the demos, a storage demo, a IPsec demo, those sorts of demos, talking about the Git repos and how their test config is set up for them, and then a look at what is going to happen in the lab.
Yeah, I have not been tracking that, so I don't know.
Okay. I'll go to, I think, isn't it Stephen Royer has been leading that group and has said that he's going to step down? Yeah. So he's going to continue as a TSC representative, but he can't do the day-to-day POC developer platform chair. Oh, or OPI maintainer. That's interesting. Okay, I'll chat with him. That was it. I was hoping Sridhar was going to be here to talk about his slide and help us understand what he was thinking there, and do some more chatting about the SDC summit coming up in about a month. If no other topics, I'll give you guys some time back. May, you have anything that you wanted to talk about other than what we've covered?
Just a question for you about your blog.
Oh, yes. That one that I've started but not finished.
Okay.
Yes, it is started. It is it's waiting for me in Drive to finish writing that.
Okay.
So I will work on that.
Perfect. Thank you.
And Alon, did you say you were going to write one for the use case group as well? All right. Okay, folks, thank you much. We can call it, and I will talk to you in 2 weeks.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Everyone.